Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Harshada. So to know about ECG, we first need to understand about the conductive system of heart. So in today's video, we are going to see the conducting system of heart in 4 different parts. The first will be the 4th chamber of heart. The second, what are the components in the conducting system of heart. The third thing is how actually the conduction takes place in the heart, and fourth part will be the rhythmicity of heart. So now let's see one by one. 4 chambers of heart. Human heart is divided into 4 chambers, namely right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from all part of the body through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. During the process of atrial contraction, the blood from right atriums move into the right ventricle. Here we have tricuspid valve. The blood from right ventricle goes to the lungs for the process of purification, that is oxygenation, through pulmonary artery, which get divided into right and left pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery and umbilical artery are the only artery in our body which carry deoxygenated blood, that is the impure blood. Rest all the arteries always carry oxygenated blood. After the process of purification in the lungs, the blood goes into the left atrium through pulmonary vein. Similarly, pulmonary vein and umbilical vein are the only vein in our body which carry oxygenated blood or the pure form of blood. From left atrium, the blood goes into the left ventricle. Here we have bicuspid valve. And from left ventricle, the blood is again supplied to all part of the body through aorta. So this is all about the 4th chamber of heart. So now let's see the component of conductive system of heart. Heart has a small strip of modified cardiac muscle which generate impulse known as SA node, where SA stands for sinoatrial node. SA node is situated in the right atrium just below the opening of superior vena cava. Then we have AV node, where AV stands for atrioventricular node, which is situated in the right posterior portion of intraatrial septum. From AV node arises AV bundle, also known as bundle of His. This bundle of His get divided into right bundle branch and left bundle branch. Purkinje fiber get arises from this bundle branches and spread all over the ventricular myocardium. So the component of the conductive system of heart include SA node, AV node, bundle of His, right bundle branch, left bundle branch and Purkinje fibers. Here we have come to the second last part of our video, that is the conductivity of heart, or how actually conduction takes place in the heart. So when SA node generate impulse, the impulse get transferred to both the atria, right and left, which leads to the contraction of atria, due to which the blood from the atriums get transferred to the respective ventricles. The impulse from SA node also reach AV node. Here, AV node keeps the check where both the atria have got totally empty into their respective ventricles. The impulse from AV node now get transferred to the bundle of His, then to the right and left bundle branches, and then to the Purkinje fiber, which are present all over the ventricular myocardium, which leads to the contraction of ventricle so that the blood from the right ventricle goes to the lung for purification through pulmonary artery, and from left ventricle it's supplied to all part of the body through aorta. So now let's see about rhythmicity of heart. Rhythmicity of heart actually means the rate at which heart beat. In simple language, it is the heart rate. An ideal heart rate is 72 beats per minute. So when SA node generate impulse and all the component of conductive system of heart are working properly, SA node generate impulse at the rate of 60 to 80 beats per minute. If in case SA node are not able to generate impulse, AV node take up the task and generate impulse at the rate of 40 to 60 beats per minute. Even in case if AV node are not able to generate the impulse, then bundle of His generate impulse similar to that of the AV node, that is 40 to 60 beats per minute. If even bundle of His are not able to generate impulse, then Purkinje fiber generate impulse at the rate of 35 to 40 beats per minute and make the heart pump and supply blood to all part of the body. So this is all about the conducting system of heart. Here I have two questions for you. The first is, if AV node, bundle of His, Purkinje fiber are able to generate impulse, then why only SA node is known as pacemaker? Do let me know your answer in the comment section. The second question for you is, how SA node actually generate impulse? What is the nerve supply of sinoatrial node? To know the answer to this question, I've already made a video as an IGTV video on my Instagram page named as BHHC_0315. The link to that video is given in the description box below. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to my page. See you in the next video. Till then, let's keep learning. Thank you.